In this video, I will show you how to import tasks from Excel or Google Sheets into monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. On your home screen, you want to go into the top right corner and select your profile. Under Account, you will see Import Data. Open that. You will then be presented with a number of different options and apps. The first one is Excel, and you can either drag a file here or click to browse. So I will click to browse my desktop and find and open my Excel document. Once you find it, click on it and select Open. Once your document has been uploaded, you will then be presented with an option to customize your new board. So what is in your first row? I have my project name in A, and secondly, I have my due date. Once I am happy with everything, I will click Next and create board. And now all my information has been imported from my Excel document into monday.com. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.